ready to set off now. Got the sat nav ready. All the way to Ingleton.
It's 5 minutes to 6, just a bit later than we originally planned. We're not exactly sure where we are. Is it Wigan, Warrington?
Wigan now.
Or wherever. Anyway, we're in traffic.
Blackpool.
And we want to get back to Yorkshire. We hate it.
Okay, it's an unplanned stop. We're having to buy a tape for our camera because the person who should have filled the tape bag forgot to do it. But never mind, we're going to Greg's for some sausage rolls in Lancaster.
Oh,
would you believe? Fine dining.
Oh, got it. There he is, trekking with Barnes.
Exactly. All the gear, no idea.
Yeah, we couldn't find any waterfalls, so Barnes decided to make his own.
Right, join us here, about 20 miles into our Arctic expedition. It's just about freezing cold. Lots of the snow's melted. I think we're about to get there before nightfall and set up base camp.
And you'll see Barnes has shed his big coat now.
Right, that's where we are, the blue flashing light is. And we're just trying to find a luxury boat tonight. Maybe Blackpool, or Morecambe, or Kendal.
Here we are in our luxurious accommodation, abode. There you go. That's it. Beats the travel in.
On price only.
Here it is. Got something quite special, as you can see. Can't quite smell the kebab from last night on this video, but I can assure you it was bloody lovely. See that bin there? Down there, there's the Delwyn.
Morning.
There's all this.
Morning, Barnes. Breakfast time.
Morning, Greg's again. Another 4 sausage rolls, keep going for the day.
There we go. Not too good on the visibility front. On the upside, we've still got plenty of Greg's left.
This is some waterfall related place. It's called Air Force. Then we're putting on the wet weather gear. It's a bit fresh for the winter and all that.
Here we go again, 8:15. We're in Morecambe Bay, would you believe? Looking for a bit of scenic action. Nice bit of weather, sun's out.
Cross the roundabout.
As luck would have it, we're in the smart car and we can go down footpaths. I reckon if we're not careful here, we're going to get swept away.
I reckon we need to get out and walk.
We need to get up there. Humphrey's Head's it.
Okay, here we are. This is Humphrey's Head, Morecambe, famous for its ginormous bay, which I'm looking out on, hoping to see some sea. It's not arriving. Camera set up, firing off every 30 seconds. Okay, here we are now. Water's coming in thick and fast, and it looks the absolute business. Sea-based services. Delwyn's got bad gut rocks. That's the cars in. Successful day with a waterfall done in the service station. Marshall carrot soup action.
Yeah, Ben Stenner's booked us into the Cosmopolitan George Hotel in Horton, that famous metropolis that is Horton. Not quite Penrith, I'm afraid, as we were promised, but there you go. Somewhere in this bleak environment is our hotel.
I'll tell you what it is. It's like one of them Ripley's, do you believe it?
Do you believe it?
Ripley's, do you believe it?
This man is actually smaller than the room.
Ben Stannard, you've got a lot to answer for.
That's tall.
What you can't see in here, Mr. Stannard, is the fact that it's -4 degrees in here. Quite good if you want to preserve a carrot, but it's not good if you want to go sleep. Carpet not quite. Right, I'm going to draw the curtains. Oh no, the curtains won't go any further. Alright, not to worry. The skirting board has been cut around the
carpet. Right, not the carpet cutter I'm skipping one. That's quite good. There you go. Not a bad shower. Look at this. But down here, look at all the wood that's holding it up. Look at it.
Look at the carpet.
What's that? Totally plumbed into the names. What's this?
There is. Watch this there. Through all that I've been through. Here we are, another 5-mile hike. Middle of nowhere. It's not that cold, but it's a bit damp. Lots of uphill action, not much downhill action. Slept well in our freezing hotel, under a paper thin mattress, paper thin duvet. Right, here we are in Darlington on our shoots. We're just having a take a little light refreshment. Delwyn, and his brother, Al full of shit, and my good self. Anyway, no waterfalls in this boat. Like a glass as well. Al and Peter. Come out.
Alan Peter.
Okay, so Al and Peter walk down the Darlington High Street.
That'll be funnier in a year when we're all bald.
Here we see Al and Peter. Al and Peter and Al. Yeah, that's where the private parties with all the free booze, Gaz.
What's that?
That's where the private parties with all the free booze. Yates's Wine Lodge. Hair cider.
Maybe we're going to be doing the other.
Hair cider. Here he is, Al Fuller, age 48, the oldest swinger in town.